dito.
First row. Yes sir, eto na yung ating most sportsmanship awardee. Nasa pila na po. Inantay lang yung live namin. And that would be a 2 for 2. Basket time from Mr. Neri. Ito, may nambabato na naman. Alis ka dyan muna, idol. Pakiclear muna yung bench natin na yung ating hardcourt. Dito na kayong mga partner ako muna pupunta doon.
Bata o.
Pasensya na po. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Di natin bati yung mga hindi marunong mag-basketball yun. Ang ingay ko daw kasi. Sige po, pakiantay lang ha. Bebas! Bang! Napaka-accurate ng shooting ngayon ni Mr. Jeff Cuevas dito. Up-by to pa rin dito ang Team Melody. Kuya Mong Neri, mamama sa ilalim. Denied. Ball rotation dito ngayon, 4-3. Ni Mr. Neri doon talagang hindi pinabayaan. Hinabol. Direct, same spot. Bang! Different result this time around. Second attempt from Mr. Direct. Connected immediately. Cuevas would like to answer with a 3. On his own, miss. Rebound on Mr. Mudin. Mudin on the pass. Who is Neri? Still with the ball. By himself alone. Off the board and a no. Rebound. Jersey number 7 with a fake. Connects with the foul. And that would be an N1 play. And the foul will be called against jersey number 0. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Sige, pakitawag pong papalitan. Dol, sino? Hindi po, sa Melody may substitution tayo. Mr. Ay, Andre. Jersey number 25 given na rest by jersey number 3.
Na-shoot dal lang.
Sige po, matik na po yan. Bonus shot. No, ayaw kang papalitin, idol. 2 minutes and 20 remaining. Balik man, partner.
Teka lang, ano ko muna.
Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Third offensive rebound, ganun pa rin. Nakakuha na dito ang bola ni jersey number 3. Pero intercepted ang pasa dyan. Pero may pito ang ating referee, foul from behind against jersey number 13. Teka lang, idol. Antay muna natin yung buzzer natin. Ano po? Sayang yung report ng mga referee. Sige, substitution. First personal foul. Second team foul on both teams. Shout out Mr. Gab Hebanes. 1 minute and 50 remaining. Up by 3 dito pala ang team PSG. 3-on-2 situation. Muden on a signature play, in and out with that layup. Rebound on jersey number 0. Looking for a transition. Here comes jersey number 03. On the float. Wala rin. Natabik ang bola palabas. Jersey number 31 not giving up on that play. Jersey number 29. Piso-piso lang para kay jersey number 29. 1 minute and 25 remaining. Pero pa ako. 1.5 hours. Direct, lilipat ng pwesto. Not this time around. Rebound again for jersey number 0. To Cuevas. Cuevas on the run. Chased on by jersey number 6. Cuevas in a miss. And the ball went out of bounds. Same ball. Ang tawag na ating referee dyan. Shout out to Mr. Julius Antonio. Nag-improve na naman tayo. 1 game after another game. 9 million viewers na. 8 mil lang yan kanina. Ganda ng reaction dyan ni Mr. Mudin with that steal. Mudin on the run pero hindi sinukuhan. Ganda ng pasa para kay Kuya Mong Neri. Still a 3-point ball game in favor of the PSG with 38 seconds to play. Once again, 35 seconds to play. Dung 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 dung. Still, PSG on the run. Dung 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 dung. Another still. Back to PSG. Yes sir. 20 seconds remaining. Dung 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 dung. 15. Dung 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 dung.
Ikaw nagpapakabang.
10 seconds! Dung 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 dung. Dire-diretso tayo dyan, basket dyan. 5 seconds! Here comes the buzzer. Dung 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 dung. And that would be the end of our first quarter.
Eh, wait.
Antayin natin yung mga referee natin, mga sir. Relax lang po kayo. The basket will not count by the end of our first quarter. Habang sa kabilang banda, abante pa rin dito ng tatlo ang kapanaan ng PSG.
Hindi, kaya nagkaano kami, sa basket kami. Hindi sa basket yun, yung oras nga yung... Hindi po, ano yun po namin yung basket, kasi hindi namin maano yung ano, basket.
Okay, back to the ball game. Another press, 10 minutes of action para sa ating second quarter. Nag-i-improve talaga. Alam mo ano nagdala ng partner? Yung dung 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 dung. Gaganong ka lang, 14 million na viewers mo. Sana all. Okay, possession, araw po tayo.
Kala ko yun ng bato eh.
Ay, hindi. Lagi yari sa atin yung partner. Relax lang sila. Jersey number 7, first appearance in the ball game. Goes to jersey number 13, looking to attack on the drop. Maaga yung reaction dito on the steal. 2 on 2, 3 on 2 situation. Direct ganda ng give and go, Neri! Yes sir, with that layup. Left and right, si kuya mong Kevin Neri dito mga sir. Cuevas with the ball. Lumamig yung init na meron si Mr. Jeff Cuevas kanina dito. Taken by Neri. Ayaw, magpakasiguro ng kapanan ng PSG. Shot clock winding down to 10. Dung 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 dung. And that would be a 3 seconds violation.
Pwede mapalitan isang uniform ng player? Kasi...
Oh, net, teka lang.
Oo,
Floater! No! Rebound ng jersey number 25.
Kamukha na yung uniform namin sa kulay.
Ay,
Jersey number
sa
7.
blue.
On the cross. With the attack. Denied. Put back. Still a no. Jersey number 25. Tapigan to jersey number 7. Relaxing. 10 to shoot. Dung 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 dung. No. Rebound on direct. On the pass. Here comes Kuya Mong Mudin. Taking that pass. Mudin another fake pass. Neri? For 3? No. Nakakuha ni Mr. Cuevas ang bola. 8 minutes and 38. Here comes the transition on jersey number 7. Yes sir.
Mamaya po, hindi natin.
Sama! Team!
Oh, ganun pa rin yung kulay niya. Dapat ibahin yung kulay.
Mudin. Coaching staff ng Melody, lapit nga po muna sa committee. Mintes, coaching staff, coach, head coach, committee po. Denied, but there's a contact. Who's call rep? Foul on jersey number 07. Illegal contact on the hand.
May galit yata yung...
Sir, labas ka muna sir, palit ka muna ulit ng jersey sir. At tino-contest ng PSG. Pasuyo na lang po. Paki-arrange muna ng Team Melody. Pasensya na po.
Ipasok niyo po muna ibang player.
Substitution,
Sub
pakipalitan muna.
Mag-sub muna po.
Sige, 2 shots. For jersey number 25, pang ilang foul ni jersey number 07 yung partner? First personal foul, first team foul, team PSG. First throw. On jersey number 25 is a no. 8 minutes and 8 to play. Second and last throw. Quintis pa rin. Sir, pakitain tayo, jersey number 24. Pasuyo na lang po kami. Nasa house rules po natin yan. Ganda ng ball rotation dito. Direct. No. Rebound battle. Nakakuha ni jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. Yes, sir. Mapaloob, mapalabas. Two-way player din dito, si numero 29. Isa na lang ang abante dito ng koponan ng PSG. Jersey number 9 on the pass. Ganda ng libre dito. Duerme on the pass, but that would be an offensive foul on Mr. Duerme. First personal foul, second team foul. 7 minutes and 30 to play. Jersey number 7 with the ball.
Ilalim.
On the pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, no look pass deflected. Stolen. Almost a steal. Mudin blocking for that one. Yan, may visible counting tayo dyan mga idol ha. Baseline, reverse basket. For the team PSG, back to 3-point ball game. Under 6 minutes and 55. Jersey number 24, again with the ball. Cuevas with the ball. Jeffrey, denied. Iikot muna pa ng dalian. 10 to shoot. And there's a steal. Here comes jersey number 7 on the long two. Bang! Nothing but the bottom of the net came from jersey number 7 on that play. Balik sa 1-point ball game. Direct. Faking that one with the reverse. No. Denied. Duerme battling for the ball. On the pump. Still with him. Spin. Float. And there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 24. Hacking foul. Hooligan. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots will be given to jersey number 5. Duerme. Wala kang shoot mamaya, idol. Bukod sa labas ka na, wala ka pa talagang shoot. Buhay na patutuo po dyan si Kuya Mong Neri, second and last. At eto, error tayo dyan. 2-zone violation po yan. The basket will count, but that's a violation. But it will count. Tama yan. Back to 2-point ball game. 22-20. Favor still of the PSG. Jersey number 7. Denied. Direct on the run. 3-on-2 situation. 4-on-3. Here comes pa. Biglang sinupalpal. Back to back parang denial dito. Jersey number 25. Meanwhile, Cuevas. Inantay pa. Sabi ni Kuya Mong Ruel.
Para pair daw.
Tie ball game. 22 all. 5 minutes and 55. Mudin. No. Rebound. Buligan. To Cuevas. Cuevas. Another pass. No. Nasa loose ball jersey number 29. Antibay ng rebounding doon. To jersey number 7. Loses his defender. Too strong on that pa. Attempt. Here comes Mudin again. Mudin. No. Rebound battle. Nangingibabaw si jersey number 25 doon. Pero napayungan. Walang defender dito. 1-on-3 situation. Jersey number 29. Too strong. Buligan. Denied. But there's a contact. And that would be a foul on jersey number 16. Dairit. Substitution. Dairit first personal foul. 13 foul na po dito kapanan ng PSG. We still have 5 minutes and 25 remaining. May tubigat yung partner.
Ay,
Kakapasin talaga ako. Maganda.
Oo. Diretso eh.
First throw. Ayos lang daw sabi ni partner. Hindi kasi siya mamamas. Basket, ang saya po dito. Sige po, dead ball po tayo mga idol ha. Let's wait for the basket so that we can award the substitution. And there's no basket. Split charity lang po yan para kay Mr. Buligan. Correct me if I'm wrong. 5 minutes and 18. Mudin, that's an error. Miscommunication. Substitution. Huwag po kayo magmadali. Lahat po kayo mabibigyan ng chance mag-substitute. Antayin nyo po yung buzzer ng committee natin. This is for the sake of the formality of our game. Sayang naman yung nagagandahan yung uniforme. Kung hindi po manonotice sa ating live. Sa baseline naman maglalaro ngayon ang kupunan dito ng Melody not being effective on the outside. Jersey number 7, another loose ball on that one. Mudin, looking for a transition. Cuisneri on the pass. Duerme, back to Cuisneri. Wala pa rin, Duerme. Kick out. Eto na, first basket of the night. For Mr. Emerico Del Rosario. Ang batang second industrial. 1 point ball game, still in favor of the PSG, 24-23. Napakagandang bakbakan ng dug sa inyo ng PNB. Quick pay. Andyan din ang ating China Bank. Still, and there's a whistle. Ano tawag, rep? Kickball violation. Substitution. Jersey number 12 giving arrest to jersey number 25. Babagalan ka pala kasi iba yung arrest eh. Dapat may post pala dun. Balikan ko yung teacher ko nung high school, mali yung tinuro niya. Del Rosario, back-to-back basket para kay Mr. Emerico. 3 minutes and 40 remaining.
Reserve time out.
Jersey number 7, talagang hindi ko malaman kung nabibitawan yung bola o talagang ganun na lang siya. Direct!
Kinapos.
On the floater! There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 31.
Reserve time out.
Sama Team Melody! Panginoon po, 31. First person.
Mas malakas yan kesa dito.
Mas malakas ka sa amin, partner. Di ba? Malakas daw ng buzzer natin, mas malakas ka sa amin, partner. Tinaboy niya, biruin mo yung mga bata doon. Parang mga batang pinagalitan ng ina.
Paluin daw naman.
Grabe naman kasi yung pamalo, di ba katarungan? Talagang kahit na 3 metro, aabutin ka eh. Okay, nagkakatuwaan lang po kami dito, mga idol. Second and last, missing is first. Makes his second, that would be a split charity. Ang dami na pala nagmamahal sa akin dito sa live. Hindi ko na napansin, pasensya na mga idol. Enjoy lang po kayo. Thanks for tuning in. Eto na. Floater. Mintis. And there's a foul. Dalawa tumawag yan. It can be denied. Jersey number 31. That will be your second personal foul. 13 foul for the Melody team. 3 minutes and 5. At dito na, halos second industrial na. Bumubuo ng lineup dito sa loob. Direct! Bang! Second three of the night came from Mr. Direct. Parang bago ng bago ang Melody dito. Hindi pa rin nirespeto yung shooting ni Mr. Direct. Meanwhile, we have a traveling violation. Substitution. Tingnan nyo si Mr. Cuevas. Kahit napakahusay naman lalaro, inaantay yung buzzer ng committee bago pumasok. Yan po yung good example talaga naman lalaro. 2 minutes and 33 remaining. Jersey number 16. Not this time around. Denied na po yan. Coming from Mr. Cuevas. Palyori, ganda ng bounce pass na yan para kay jersey number 31. Lalapit ng bahagya dito. Mga kaibigan ng kapanan ng Melody. 5-point ball game na lang po ito. Neri talaga naman. Ibabaw na ibabaw. Huwag ka na raw makialam. Mr. Duerme. Sabi ni Kuya mong Neri. 2 minutes and 5. Eto na. Kuya mong Cuevas Jeff. Takes the 3. In and out. No. Jersey number 31. Kitang-kita, sir. That would be the second personal foul on Mr. Duerme. Jersey number 5. Substitution. Warning for penalty na po rito ang kapanan ng PSG. Habang meron pa tayong 1 minuto at 58 segundo. Magme-message yung alin mo para lang naman pala sa maintenance.
Kalang sound na.
Takin tayo mga idol. We are constantly reminding every players. Magtakin po tayo.
Magandang balita yun, boss.
Yung maintenance.
Hindi magandang balita yun.
Second and last throw.
Baka hindi maka-withdraw.
Mintis with his first, jersey number 31. Still unable to make the second pero rebound kanya pa rin with a pick. Another pick. And a pass to the cutting jersey number 29. Piso-piso. Yes sir! 5-point ball game pa rin tayo dito. 32-27 under a minute and 45. Kuya Mugnano, on the pass. Nairi, tatauhin na. Favorite shot, no. Rebound battle. Jersey number 25 winning that rebound. And we have a jump ball. Same ball possession po tayo. The possession will be for the PSG. Substitution tayo, rep. Ikutin natin ang gulong ng kapalaran. Ayun, thank you partner for assisting us.
5 real yan.
Ay, akala ko lang naniningil dito. May kasama na pala ako.
Kala nyo kayo lang.
Direct with the ball. On the ball rotation, Cuisneri, 10 to shoot. Denied by Pallore. Rebound ng jersey number 25. Inabot daw. 1 minute and 25. Another miscommunication dito. Cuisneri, 7 for 7. Wala, kulang ang gasolina ng eroplano sa pagkakataon na yun.
Hindi nag-landing.
Mali yung landing, jersey number 7 with the pump, but there's a whistle, and the whistle will be. That would be a foul on jersey number 25, a blocking foul. Both teams warning for penalty. First personal foul, jersey number 25, both teams warning for penalty. Under a minute and 10 remaining on our first half. First half pa lang to, kaya huwag kayong aalis. 15 million na viewers namin. History in the making. Del Rosario na naman, kumonekta. Every time Mr. Del Rosario sees an opening, he will take it for sure. 58 seconds to play. Jersey number 25, another error on the team Melody. Back-to-back error yan. 50 seconds remaining. Ang pasa na yan, may intercept na rito. Pebas asking the ball, looking for a mismatch. Nawala yung defender dito. Ni Mr. Cuevas sa kapunta to the moon. Brum brum, skr skr. Basta't nawala, ayun na yun. Ay, pag ganado ang player, hindi tayo pwede magpabaya dito mga partner. Jersey number 0 with the rebound. 25 seconds on the mark for our first half. And the ball was tapped. We still have 22 seconds. Shot clock is off. Del Rosario on the pick. And the float. And a no. And the ball will go to Mr. Neri. Neri with a spin. But that would be a foul. A contact will be called against jersey number 0. And that would be putting Mr. Neri on the foul line. Penalty situation. 13.3 to play. Ayusin po natin later on. Okay po. With 13 seconds remaining on our first half, jersey number 3, Neri awarded with 2 shots shooting his first. Yes sir, nothing but the bottom of the net came from Mr. Neri. Up by 6 the team, PSG. Second and last throw, once again, 13 seconds to play. And that would be a no, Del Rosario taking the rebound and a steal. 10 seconds. Dung 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 dung. Dung dung, 5 seconds. Dung 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 dung. And we have a whistle. Foul on jersey number 7. Second personal foul penalty. 3.4 seconds to play. 3.4 to play. Relax lang tayo mga idol. Pabayaan po natin ang ating referees. Yung mga bench natin, relax lang po. Pabayan nyo po sa ating coaching staff para hindi po tayo magulo. First throw. No. Once again, 3.4 to play. Both teams in penalty.
First karma. May timeout pa kami?
Second and last. Meron pa po. Tigisa pa. Magkabilang koponan. No. Babasar na lang. And that would be the end of our first patagalin ang isang napakainit na bakbakan na inihandog sa inyo ng second season of the FBC in partnership with the PNB with the QuickPay China Bank. Sino pa partner? PNB China Bank,
Bagong sponsor,
QuickPay,
GP Express.
GP Express, Buba, Bangus. Tumatanggap pa po kami ng sponsor.
Baka naman.
Championship.
Okay, let's go! Gutom na yung mga kasama ko dito. How much more? Ako pa kaya. Cuevas with the ball. Ayan, inikot na. Ang ruleta ng kapalaran. Salamat, partner Well. Dito tayo. Ang cute ng ilaw natin. Pink. Kasi po puti yung kasama namin. Ay, babae po. Meron po akong lady dito.
Uy, lumabas ang bola. Uy,
Ang
nahabol.
sipag ng melody dito. At hindi nga lang naabutan. Pero credit to jersey number 29, ha? Chasing that pass. Napakalayo na nun, mga partner.
Kaya panghabulin.
Ganon yung mga player na talagang grabe yung dedication sa team. Direct, left wide open. No. Rebound for jersey number 0. Jersey number 24 with the ball. It's always an honor. Meron na kaming 19 million viewers. Shoutout sa aming 19 million viewers. Diyan lang kayo dahil may traveling violation dito. Mudin with the ball. Shoutout sa aming 19 million viewers. Pasensya na po, hingi kami ng panamagang pasensya kung hindi namin kayo na-shoutout. Neri, still lucky bounce. Rebound on jersey number 07 ba yun? No, but there's a whistle. We have an illegal contact on the hand and that would be called against jersey number 24. Second personal foul, Mr. Buligan, and a first team foul for the team. Melody. Jersey number 13, Mudin, awarded with 2 shots, shooting his person the foul line. Yes, sir. Hanggang port po. Second and last throw for Mr. Mudin. Basket with his first. Shout out sa aming kaibigan, Sir Carlos. No, pero nakuha pa rin nilang rebound dito. Unselfish basketball and kick out. Neri, still unable to finish at nangingibabaw na dito si numero 0. And there's a whistle. Ano tawag natin, referee? Foul on jersey number 13, Mr. Mudin. That's a pushing foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Most Sportsmanship Award po yan last season si Mr. Mudin. Baka naman. Jersey number 0, receiving the ball. On the kick out, natabunan ako. Basket. Sino nakashoot?
Si Cuevas.
Si Papi Cuevas pala, kaya maingay sa labas. Go, Papi! 7 minutes and 55, direct. Bang! Ang bigat. Long 2. Ang bigat ng sagot naman dito.
Tulang daw.
Ni Mr. Dairit. Ang bola matatapik. And the call will be SMO. Substitution.
Shot lock.
For 3, no. Jersey number 31. 7 minutes and 30. Kuisneri on the pass. Another love play. Back-to-back basket coming from Mr. Dairit. Ito na ata yung pinakamagandang laro na nakita ko kay Mr. Dairit. Another miscommunication ang isasagot dito ng koponan ng Melody at lobo na po sa siya ang kalamangan ng koponan ng Melody, ng PSG rather. This is by far the biggest lead of the game. 7 minutes and 8 remaining. Mudin on the ball, signaling the play on that bounce pass. Neri takes the wide open shot. Bang! Nagpapaulan, ilabas nyo na yung mga payong nyo. Kung may kapote kayo, dalhin nyo na din. Hindi na biro yung shooting dito ng Team PSG. Cuevas would like to answer by his own in a miss. And the rebound to jersey number 7. Here comes jersey number 17. 16 rather. Mudin, jersey number 13. Gusto Neri on the other end. Jersey number 7. Another cross court on the baseline. 10 to shoot. Here comes Tyree. Well defended. Ganda ng depensa, ganda ng rotation with the float. Pero mintis yan. Makukuha na ng Melody ang bola dito. Who is Cuevas? Go, Papi! For 2. 6 minutes and 20 remaining. And a 10-point ball game in favor still of the Team PSG. Maghahanda na partner yung road burst. Nagpaiwan talaga dito. Meanwhile, we have a blocking foul against jersey number 24. Timeout, Team Melody. Remaining timeout for both teams with 6 minutes and 10 to play on our third quarter. Dalawa para sa kapanan ng Melody at tatlo for the Team PSG having a lead. 5-point ball game pa rin ito in favor of the PSG. Second and last round, the part of Palyore. Jersey number 20. Still rebound. Papi Cuevas. Wala pa rin at offensive foul on jersey number 0. Loose ball foul. Substitution.
Rebound tayo, rebound!
Keeping control pa rin nila. Wala pa control eh.
Offensive tayo, offensive ang tawag nating referee, wala tayong penalty dyan. 1 minute and 1, 1 minute and 1. Offensive foul ang tawag ng referee, hindi ko lang nakita ng maayos.
Control pa rin nila kasi rebound ang ano eh.
Miscommunication. 50 seconds remaining, 50 seconds. 50 segundo. Running time tayo mga sir, boss manager, amo idol. Walang pinagkaiba yan sa ngunit subalit at natapot. Kaya lang tatlong magkapipinsan lang yon.
Kilala mo pala yun?
Oo naman.
Akala ko ako lang nakakilala.
Pag CIS ka, alam mo yan. Ito na, jersey number 22, Emerico. Nag-init na, ganda ng pasa. Kuya mong Neri. Pull away off the board, basket chancer. 23 seconds. Shot clock iso. Pula ng shot clock dito. Palyore with the handle. Both teams in penalty. At na-istilan pa nga dito sa Palyore pero nakuha ni Kuya mong Cuevas. 10 seconds. Dung 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 dung. With a 7-point lead in favor of the PSG. 49-42 as our official score. That would be the end of our third period. Nahihilo nga, paano makapanood, need Panadol. Ayun partner, nahihilo daw. Pasensya na po kayo. Next time around, bibili po tayo ng stand.
Dito namin gagamitin ka mo. Papasok
Silip
mo.
ka muna dyan, Boss Teddy. Hugutin ka muna namin palabas ng screen.
Uy, galing mo ah!
Ay, nandito pala. Shoutout, happy viewing, magandang gabi po. To the head of the team, Liam, Mr. Ronald. Andyan din si Coach Saye. And we are back to the ball game. Maawa na kayo. Bingi na yung mga katabi ko dito, kakabaser ko. Araw possession po, araw possession. Shout out once again to Coach Saye and to the head of the Liam family, Mr. Ronald. Abangan nyo po yung bukas, last game sa Gusaybi Court. Magandang bakbakan yan against the NGB. Abangan nyo rin po ang Team Liam sa Maharlika League. Okay, inikot na ang gulong ng kapalaran. For 3, long 2 para kay Mr. Neri. Ang aga ng shooting dito ni Kuya mong Neri Kevin. Palyore on the pass. Nag-adjust ng depensa dito ang magkabilang koponan. Rebound. Here comes Dairit. Hindi nawawala sa linyada to. Kapampangan spread dyan si Kuya Dairit. Kuya mong Neri natapikan, ganda ng depensa dyan. Nababawasan na yung reklamo ni Kuya mong Neri dito. But sa clear foul against jersey number 13, Kuya mong Mudin. That would be a fourth personal foul. Jersey number 13, Mr. Mudin. Warning for exclusion. First team foul. Remaining time natin. Ito, 0 pa. Okay. Remaining timeout natin, just to remind both teams, dalawa para sa Melody at tatlo para sa Team PSG. Jersey number 1, first row, yes sir. Mr. Raymond Caranto, happy viewing. Magandang gabi.
Serve time out daw.
Thanks for tuning in. Second and last row on jersey number 1. And ano, ribbon battle. Nakuha pa dito ni jersey number 0. Denied. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Time out! Team PSG!
Tinutok mo talaga sa akin eh.
Hindi partner, sorry. Inaaraw ko kasi para makita ng referee kung sino nag-time out.
Mas wala kasi yun eh.
Okay, timeouts remaining for both teams. Tiggalawan na lang po yan. Meron pa tayong 9 minutes and 19 na naiiwan para kumpletuhin ang ating isang napakagandang bakbakan under 5-6 category in between the Melody and the PSG.
Sabi ni Kuya Teddy, shoutout daw kay Boss Lee.
Okay, back to the ball game. Shout out ulit kay Boss Ronald ng Liam. Shout out coming from Boss Teddy. Ayan, Manager Ronald, binabati po kayo ni Boss Teddy ng isang napakagandang gabi. Pakibigay daw po ng Gcash number nyo.
Nahihilo na nga daw.
Okay, going back on the ball game, coming from a timeout. We only have 10 seconds on the clock for the shot clock of the Team Melody. Eto na, hindi na pinabayaan yung 10 seconds doon. Na-steal na, pero nabitawan ang bola naman dito ng koponan ng PSG. They have an 8-point advantage with 51-48 as our official score. Partner, next time nga, kuha tayong mathematician dito. Mahina talaga ako sa numero eh. Sa pera lang ako magaling.
Pag-awak lang ng
Mintis pa rin. Hindi to mama, pero may pito ang ating referee, and that whistle will be a double foul in between. Naitawag na po, Kuya Neri. Please leave it to the coaches. Foul on jersey number 3. Sino yung number 3? 3 on
PSG.
PSG and number 1 on Melody. Okay, i-announce muna natin kung ilang foul yan.
Si Neri.
Neri. Teka lang po, i-announce muna natin yung ating foul. Jersey number 3, Neri.
Tsaka number 1 sa Melody.
First personal foul and jersey number 1 of the Melody team.
Uy, hindi
Second
ah,
personal
kanina
foul,
kasi
team foul.
Merong foul.
Second team foul on PSG and first team foul on the Melody.
Ball control na ng PSG.
Okay na sir, okay na po. May ball control na po according to our referees. So the possession will be for the team PSG. Opo sir, kaya raw may ball control po. Hanggang natapos, ayaw nga bitawan ni Kuya Neri. 8 minutes and 45. For 3? No! Melody yung tarahan. Here comes jersey number 1 with the ball. Maganda yung tandem nito ni number 1 tsaka 31 eh. Palyore, ganda ng no-look pass pero hindi na-anticipate doon. And that would be a foul on jersey number 1.
Anis naman, anis kuya. Oh.
Second personal foul, tama ba? Second team foul on both teams.
Warning tayo sa number 1. Warning tayo. Bigyan mo ng warning para.
Okay, we have a warning on jersey number 1, warning for technical for that foul. Warning lang po yan. That's not a foul, that's a warning. 8 minutes and 31. Relax lang kayo mga idol. Neri, Abel, Derit, Mintes. Rebound to jersey number 7. Tumudin. Jersey number 13. No! Pushing foul on. Who's foul rep? Rebato, anong number ni Rebato? Jersey number 3. Substitution.
Sub, Chris, sub.
Sub na din si Emer.
Dito po, lapit po. Sa committee po magsabi ang magsasubstitution. Hindi po sa ano. Hindi po sa gilid. Hindi po natin may award na mga sa mga idol. Sayang po yung liga natin. Sige, pasok. Sabi po kayo, kalabitin niyo po ako pag di ko kayo pinapansin. Wala pang bayad yan.
Para kayo kamong di player ah. Para
Opo.
kayo ano ah.
This is for the sake of the formality of our league. 8 minutes and 5. Jersey number 20, Palyore. Ganda ng lusot. Jersey number 25. Highly contested din na miss. Rebound battle and we have a jump ball. Arrow possession. Team Melody po tayo. Melody possession. Ikutin na natin ang ruleta ng kapalaran. Ayan. Yun. Ganun po. Substitution. Kasi para hindi rin po malito yung referee natin. Dahil ang referee po natin nakatingin sa committee bago i-award yung bola. Let's go! Ganda ng nakakaw play na yan. 6-point ball game, still in favor of the team PSG, 51-45. Basket on Mr. Neri. Mr. Bombon, Mr. Marlon, Mr. Daniel. Shoutout, happy viewing, magandang gabi sa inyo. And that will be called as an offensive foul on jersey number 6.
Ilan na yun?
Teka lang po, i-announce namin. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Matipid siya ka. Si Tebas na yun
7 minutes and 30 remaining. Mudin with the ball, signaling the play, asking for a pick. Mudin on the baseline. Too strong on that pass. Jersey number 7. No. Rebound battle. Nakuha na dito ni jersey number 31. And a pass. Palyore living away from traffic. Misses that one. And a pass. Jersey number 13. Basket coming from Mudin. 7 minutes and 5 to play. Jersey number 29 with the ball. Floater. Yes sir, basket. 6 minutes and 55. Official score. 55-47. 8-point ball game.
Sige.
Baseline play again. Para kay Neri. Yes sir, basket. Time out. Team Melody. Rep. Dito tayo rep. Okay, we are back to the ball game.
Pest control lang para walang...
Tama po yun. Salamat po sa team manager and coaching staff of the team Melody. Kailangan po ng bawat isa yan. We always stand corrected. Rebound on Neri. 10-point ball game na pala tayo dito mga partner. 6 minutes and 25 remaining. Shout out again to Mr. Raymond Caranto. Naka-live pa rin tayo. And we still have a 16 million viewers. In and out, basket in away coming from Quiz Neri. Jersey number 20, Palyore with the ball. On the pass to Cuevas. Cuevas is still with the handle. Taken by Mudin. 6 minutes and 5. Still on the handle and the loose ball. And the whistle, Wobby. An error on the part of Mr. Papi Cuevas. Del Rosario with the ball. Goes to jersey number 13, Mudin. 5 minutes and 55. Shout out to Mr. Arnel Pontanilla, Lakay. Basket again dito. Fortunating run kagad coming from the PSG. Meanwhile, we would like to announce the remaining timeout for both teams. Isa na lang for the team Melody and dalawa for the PSG, and we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 20 for the team PSG. 07, sorry. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sampo? Okay po. Wait lang po 5 minutes and 38 remaining first round pa Loreya, sir. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Shoutout na once again kay Boss Ronald coming from Mr. Teddy. Ayaw tumigil ni Sir Teddy. Pababayaran na namin yung shoutout sa susunod. Kada shoutout, Turial, pwede na yun. Transition play, medyo malakas para kay Kuya Mong Neri. Substitution rep. Okay, we still have 5 minutes and 30 to play. This is the last and final quarter of our second game. A battle under 5'7" category in between the Melody and the PSG. Ito yung kanilang unang paghaharap. Ito basket yan from jersey number 29. Kanina pa, yan yung nawawala. Yung mga stop and pop ni jersey number 29. Babawi, Merico. Too strong. Rebound on jersey number 07. Pass to jersey number 13. Mudin behind the back play. 10 to shoot. Still on the handle. Mudin on the work with the pump. No look pass. A pick and a float. And that would be a traveling violation on Mr. Del Rosario, jersey number 22. Cuevas, left wide open. Will attack. The ball deflected. Almost went out of bounds. And it totally went out of bounds. Last touch for the team Melody. Isa na lang po. Sa gitna, jersey number 07, kick out pass, and we have a technical.
Anong pinaglalaroan? Anong pinaglalaroan?
Hinahawakan niya yung bulo.
tayo ng complaint. Ano ba magiging backing?
Hindi na yan. Hindi ako nakapagod.
Okay, back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 31 remaining. Relax lang po tayo. Relax lang. This is just the first game. Ilang team ba to, partner?
Eto, paano namin
Yung
na
ating
parapol namin, speaker to ha.
Ayun, may parapol pala.
Yan.
Yan na lang ako magreklamo sa
Bago yan.
GBL yan. Ay,
Ilang team ba lahat ng partner?
LG yan, LG.
Penalty na po, penalty na po. At penalty na rin po yan. Magkabilang ko po na.
Eto, 50 yan.
Let's go.
First throw basket. Oh, kanina pa. Kanina pa.
3 sa 3 minutes.
Kanina, basta't lahat ng dead ball. Kanina pa. Stop ball. Kanina pa. Ang last 2 minutes lang natin na stop ball coming from the basket. Basket. 2 minutes and 31. 2 minutes and 31 official score. Back to 12-point lead. 66-54.
Let's go.
Jersey number 20 on the pass with the pick. Jersey number 31 looking to attack. Well defended by Neri. 10 seconds to shoot. Pagliore will take the wide open shot. Bang! Ang bigat ng tres dito ni Mr. Pagliore. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Napakalayo pa nito. Pero nalibre si Direct. Basket. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes brought to you by FPC. Ganda ng pasa ni Pagliore, natapik. Ang bola lalabas. And the whistle will be a same ball possession with under a minute and 51 to play. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound coming from Cuevas. On the pass to jersey number 25. Here comes jersey number 31. With time to shoot. Pagliore will take and pick. Shake and bake. Will attack with 5 to shoot. Miss the layup. And a rebound. Neri on the transition. Here comes Del Rosario with the miss. 1 minute and 35 remaining. 9-point ball game lang to. 11 rather. 68-57. Pagliore on the work and the drop to jersey number 25 for 2. Once again, 1 minute and 26. 9-point lead in favor of the PSG. 6 minutes, 68-59. Neri using the clock. Not waiting for anyone. Will attack on his own. Or the layup and a yes. That's a basket. 1 minute and 13 remaining. 70-59 official score. Baseline ball, play deflected. Same ball tayo dyan, 1 minute and 8 remaining. 11-point ball game. Favor of the PSG.
Ayun yung mga kalaban natin sa finals.
20 seconds on the shot clock for the Team Pia. Melody. Jersey number 20. Pagliore on the pass. A floater. No. Out of bounds, save ball. 11 to shoot. Team Melody, 11 to shoot. 59 seconds remaining. 59 seconds remaining. 11 to shoot. Cuevas. 58 seconds. And there's a whistle. The basket will not count. And the foul will be called against jersey number 07. Jersey number 07. That will be your personal foul. Fouled out. 55 seconds remaining.
Uy, pumalit din. Warning for penalty na.
Basket on the first row coming from Cuevas. Mahalaga yan para sa ating point system. 10-point ball game. May point system po tayo mga idol. Bawas-bawas habang nag-iingat. Second and last. No. Rebound battle. Nakakuha na dito ni jersey number 7. Neri using the clock. With 50 seconds remaining. 45 seconds. 10-point lead in favor of the PSG. Mudin. Waiting for the shot clock to expire. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 7. Basket. 36 seconds to play. And that would be the end of our beautiful ball game in between the Melody and the PSG. Congratulations on the first win, the team PSG. A big win with 12-point advantage, 70-60 as our official score. And with 25 seconds remaining on the clock, the team Melody conceded on the play. Once again, congratulations on both teams. Kamayan po tayo.
Bukas sabi naman, punta mo sa tayo punta. Punta mo bukas.